Changing the type of transaction on Venmo, such as from a personal payment to a business transaction or vice versa, isn't directly supported. However, you can achieve similar outcomes by canceling the original transaction and creating a new one with the desired type. Here's how. Open Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your mobile device or access the Venmo website and log into your account. Find the transaction. Navigate to your transaction history to locate the transaction you want to change. Cancel transaction. If the transaction is still pending or hasn't been completed, you may have the option to cancel it. Tap on the transaction and look for the option to cancel. Follow the prompts to cancel the transaction. Create new transaction. After canceling the original transaction, create a new one with the desired type. For example, if you cancel the personal payment and want to make it a business transaction, initiate a new payment or charge specifying the business purpose and recipient. Complete new transaction. Enter the necessary details for the new transaction, including the recipient's username or email, amount and description. Then proceed to complete the transaction. Confirmation. Once the new transaction is completed, you'll receive confirmation and the transaction will be reflected in your transaction history.